day and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatosin, in case you're hearing my voice for the first time, and this is like my first official video that I'll be making and then be showing my whole face. So in case you've been wanting to see the face behind, so it's the same, this is my real face. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a mannequin I got this mannequin like 3 weeks ago, in fact close to a month ago, but I've been so busy. You know how December is now. I've been so busy that I could not unbox. So right now I want to unbox this mannequin, and I just thought that let me do that in front of my camera in case 1 or 2 persons might be interested in unboxing this with me. So without talking too much, let's jump right into the video.
Okay guys, the thing is, my baby boy has helped me, or almost helped me, to unbox this box. Like it's been over this box since this box has been in this house opening, and in fact all the sellotape he has unsealed them. The foil that comes with the mannequin is almost gone. I had to use another sellotape that I have at home to rebind it so that it's not just exposed and then it picks up a sharp object to be inscribing something on the mannequin. I had to reseal it like this. So I'm going to be I might not do too much of talking. I might just put a background music, but guys, just come with me and let's do this together. So firstly, I'm seeing this stand. By the way, this is a size 12 mannequin, and then I got it at Lagos Idumota market. This is the stand. This stand is supposed to be 2. Yeah. This is like the basement where the leg is going to stay on. I think. Oh. The second hand. Okay. I think I'll need a screwdriver to unscrew this and then screw it inside the then this is supposed to be 2. Okay. Okay, let me get a screwdriver. So I'm going to unscrew this. I need help. Guys, believe me when I say that unscrewing this thing is very, very hard. I had to call my husband to help, but eventually we were able to. So this is going to be, for this one, this is going to be on the ground. Then okay, this is going to stay here without the screw in it. This as well without the screw. Okay, let me put this here first, or let's put this here first since we are unboxing it together. So I'm going to do this off camera, then I'll bring it to show you guys how far. Okay, I'm done doing this, and this is me at this point. I have to sit on the floor, I'm tired. Then I'm going to be inserting this into this, or I'm going to be inserting this into this, just like this. Wow, the mannequin is coming along. The next is to, I'm going to put this is going to go along with. So firstly I'm putting it in this direction, then I'm going to turn it around. Wow. Hi. Okay, so the next is to, it's actually very simple. Hello, who is up for an handshake? Who is available for handshake? Then this is going to enter this as well. Oh, and on the long run, this is what we have. Thank you so much for sticking with me from the beginning of this video to this point. I hope somebody finds this helpful and interesting and entertaining at the same time. For those that may want to know, this is a size 12 mannequin, and I got this mannequin for 125,000 naira. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, and compliments of the season you all. Bye.